This molar has developed a crack, but after examination, it may still be restored. The dentist evaluates the crack to determine whether the tooth can be safely restored. In this example, the fracture has not reached the root or the inner nerve, making restoration possible. Only the weakened tooth structure is removed while preserving healthy enamel. The tooth is carefully shaped to support a strong, well-fitting restoration. A digital scan captures the exact shape of the prepared tooth. A custom ceramic crown is designed to match the natural tooth. The crown is checked for accurate fit before it is permanently bonded. The crown is permanently secured using a professional dental cement. The restoration is polished to create a smooth and natural finish. The bite is checked to ensure the restored tooth functions comfortably during chewing. Good oral hygiene and protecting your teeth from grinding can help restorations last longer. This video is educational and not personal medical advice.